Hello, welcome back. The economic crisis raises one question. Why did the economic models not predict what was going to happen? Based on our research, we conclude that there is an essential tool in model building that we cannot dispense of. The essential tool we call intrinsic time. It's an event-based approach to measuring time. So just imagine building an economic model means using historical data. When you use historical data, the first question is how to sample that data. Does one take a price point every second, every minute, every hour, or just every day? In the intrinsic time approach, it's dictated which data points you take by the actual events that occur. Why is this so much better than another approach? Basically for the very simple reason that financial markets are made up of human beings, and what we have to understand is how human beings perceive the financial markets and the economy as a whole. And if you take yourself as one of these traders, you have to think of how you experience time. And there, when we think of ourselves, when we sleep, time flies. If we're bored, time seems to come to a standstill. If something important happens, then we experience every second. So it's depending on the events that we experience, how we perceive time. If we want to build models, which are algorithms, computers which analyze the data, then it's essential that we incorporate exactly this subjective way of experiencing time in the model building. We do this with this concept called intrinsic time. To give you an example, we use, for example, thresholds of percentage points. If the price curve moves up by 0.5%, then we say a first event has occurred. The second event will only then occur when the price has reversed by 0.5%. That can be after the price has moved up a further 2% and then goes down by 0.5%. It's then that the second event has occurred. And then from there, we wait again until the price moves up again by 0.5%, be it immediately or only after further 1% down move that it then moves up. This way of sampling data is essential because then we can incorporate in our approach exactly the way how traders and human beings in general experience time. And this is a kind of the magic link. If anyone would ask me today, what can we do to improve economic models? It's first of all replace the standard physical time scale, which is just based on the speed with which the Earth turns around its own axis, with this concept of intrinsic time. And then better models can be built. Looking forward to the next update, and thank you for listening.